Words matter. How we talk about things matters. While we may be able to share our views with people who already agree with us, sharing our opinions while leaving room for someone else's viewpoint can be challenging. How can we seek to listen to those who hold different views? How can we respectfully disagree? Our world has become divided over politics and COVID-19. It's become particularly challenging for communities to have civil conversations about important issues. Community association homeowner leaders and managers are regularly faced with challenging and complex issues that can spark strong emotions. A critical responsibility of boards and managers is to facilitate community conversations. I'd like to invite you to join CAI in an important and meaningful community conversation during a webinar on November 10th. The webinar is entitled Uniting Community Post-Election 2020. It will be facilitated by a community association lawyer from California, Matt Ober, and you'll hear from two community association managers with direct experience with unrest during this past summer. You'll hear from Laura Hall, a community manager from Portland, Oregon, and Jamie Gill, a community manager from Kenosha, Wisconsin. Please visit our website for more information and for registration details for our upcoming webinar, November 10th, Uniting Community Post-Election 2020. Visit our website at caionline.org. I look forward to talking with you.